Well, hey, welcome to the DevOps Roundup. We're continuing our journey on going through this Git tutorial and seeing how well this Git tutorial works for learning Git.
And we're going to continue. Hey, Sean, we're continuing with a mixed bag. So I'm assuming we're just going to learn random things of Git because the other ones have been kind of grouped, quote unquote, logically.
For the most part, yeah, things have been logical.
Hopefully these 5 are a little bit easier. We're going to learn about Git tags.
Okay, that should be much easier. Or am I reading today?
You are reading. You do a good job reading. I do a better job clicking.
Okay, you're the clicker. I'll be the reader. Okay, so we got a development situation here. That's a common one. He's trying to track down a bug. He can't find it, but in order to aid his detective work, he's put some debug commands and a few print statements. All of these debugging print statements are in their own commits. Finally, I track down the bug, fix it, and rejoice. The problem is I now need to remove my his debugging and print statements. So now he needs to get his bug fix back into the main branch. And if I simply fast forward main, then main would get all my debugging statements. So there's got to be a better way. Okay, so we need to tell Git to copy only one of the commits over. So basically, we're going to copy over just the commits that fixed the bug that he was looking for, and not the debugging statements. All right. This is a later level, so we'll leave it up to you to decide which commands you want. Oh, so we get to pick our own commands here.
That's never a good thing.
But in order to complete this level, make sure main receives the commit that bug fix references. Okay.
Remember, rebase or cherry pick is your friend here. Yeah. So this is the picture we want. We want C4 out of the mix.
So
main,
yeah.
printf stays on C3. Bug fix has to go to a C4.
And yeah, so main and bug fix have to be the same commit, which is C4.
Yes. So we are on bug fix right now.
Mm-hmm. So if you're on bug fix right now.
But bug fix is already on C4, so don't I have to go to main?
Yeah, you need to move main down to C4. Yeah. So now you could do git cherry pick.
I'm gonna go C4.
Yeah, just C4.
See what that does. Oh.
Yeah, that was it. Good job.
Good job. Next, juggling commits. Have you seen the 6.7?
Is that what 6.7 is referencing?
Juggling commits. This whole time, everybody's wondering, and it's just a bunch of kids juggling commits.
Okay, so we got another situation that's common. We got some changes in new image, and another set of changes in caption.
Yeah.
These are related, so they are stacked on top of each other in your repository. The tricky thing is that sometimes you need to make a small modification to an earlier commit. In this case, design wants to change the dimensions of new image, even though the commit is way back in our history. Okay.
All right. Oh.
Yeah. So we can overcome this difficulty by doing the following. We can reorder the commits. So the one we want to change is on top with git rebase -i. We will then commit with an append. Amend, okay, to make the slight modification, and then we will reorder the commits back to how they were previous with git rebase -i. Finally, we'll move the main to this updated part of the tree to finish the level. There are many ways to accomplish this overall goal. Yeah, and it's blaming us for going right to cherry pick, and we will see more of them later. But for now, let's focus on this technique, which is the rebase, commit, and then rebase again. Let's see. We want to pay attention to the goal state here. Since we move the commits twice, they will both get a was that apostrophe appended, and one more apostrophe is added for the commit we amend. Which gives us the final form of the tree. Okay, I can compare levels now based on the structure and relative apostrophe differences. As long as your tree's main branch has the same structure and relative apostrophe differences, I'll give full credit. Oh, that's nice of him. All right.
No idea what just happened. All I know is we're like Inception here. C2's got triple apostrophes, and C3's got double, and we're not allowed to cherry pick.
Yeah, no cherry picking. Okay,
first command is get. Okay, so at least they're helpful. The first command is get rebase -I head tilde 2, and we're currently on caption. So caption's gonna go up to C1.
Okay. Okay.
What are we supposed to drop here? Hold up.
What?
C3. We want to wait. Caption. Oh man, this thing is. Yeah, we want to drop C3, I guess.
Okay. Where'd your window go? Oh, there you go.
We're gonna click to drop it. Hit confirm.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So caption.
Okay, it's getting there. All right. We want to leave new image alone, but we now want to move main down to yeah. So git commit -amend.
What are we? What are we amending? C1?
Yeah, we're amending C1. Doesn't like that.
Oh, -- amend.
Oh. Yeah, you missing a dash.
Okay. There's a double.
Oh, okay, yeah.
And finally, then we will reorder with get rebase.
Yeah, and so basically get rebase and we add that back in, right?
Yeah, but what are we doing?
So we'll see if this works first, and I'll explain.
I need to give it a command. I'm still on caption though. C2? This shouldn't work, right?
Yeah, we're adding C2 back in. Yeah. No? What is that?
I got the triple.
You got the triple, but you broke.
I expect at least one argument. Okay. Oh, you know what it probably was? Because I did C2, but I don't want C2. I wanted
no,
C2.
You don't want. Yeah, so yeah.
Wait. There's an undo.
Okay.
So do I want C2 dash this one, no? No commits to rebase. Yeah, because this is not hard at all, guys.
Yeah, I don't know if I ever have run into something like this. This is weird. They're trying to. Oh no! What'd you do?
I'm trying different things. How else do you learn if not by clicking?
Yeah. So what branch? First, what branch are we on right now? Are we on main? Or we're
on caption right now. Caption's the branch I'm on.
Okay.
Should we?
I think which one? I think you want to be on.
We will then reorder the commits back to how they were previously with get rebase.
Yeah.
So I think something. So if I do the get rebase, but it wants like a head. Let me just do tilde 1 and see. Let's see what that does.
Mm-hmm.
So that moves me. So that got me the triple. Okay, so we're getting there. We got a triple.
And that was the rebase?
Yeah. But C3, see these two doubles?
Mm-hmm.
These two are these two, but they're under C1. They should be under a C3 tilde or a apostrophe. I don't think we're gonna get this one. Just call it.
Yeah, well, I'm struggling on what exactly they're trying to do. So what I thought they wanted us to do is they had the changes they want to modify are in C2, and we already have a C3, so we wanted it to just grab C2 and move it to main. I think you need to check out, yeah. Okay.
No.
Yeah, just do, yeah.
No.
No? Now do your git commit dash amend on main.
Sends you to C1, but we don't. Okay, so
we should have, yeah, we wanted to have that underneath C1. So I think we need to reset the whole thing and start again.
okay.
Okay.
So our first command is git.
Well, first, what branch are we sitting on? Are we still on main?
It was on the reset. We're on caption. So git rebase dash I head to.
Mm-hmm.
I want this one to drop.
Yeah.
Okay. I wonder if we're already off though, because see how C3 is here with the tilde? I wonder if I click enter here, let me just hit confirm. I don't know if that got us any closer.
It was the same command. What was the difference?
I didn't remove any of the options. I just said send them both. But now we have this little parentheses on both of them. Which is kind of what we need. We need a C3 parenthesis here.
Yeah. So now do your git amend. Oh, actually jumped out. Check out that branch. What's it called? No, caption.
We're on caption already.
We are on caption? When did we move to caption?
If we started there.
Oh, okay. Okay, well that didn't do what I wanted it to do.
So okay, so hold up. So let's undo 2.
Okay.
What happens then if I get rid of this one? We got the C3 and then
get now commit. Check out main.
Hold on. Let me see what this does. See? Okay, kind of. So that almost got us there now. So we got the C3 by itself here, but this one should be on C2.
What's it? C3?
It's a C3. It should be a C2. But I think
I'm still confused on what they want us to do here.
I don't get what the commands are here. C1, no, we don't want to do that.
No. You want to be on the feature branch when you do the amend. Yeah, I think that's where you want to be. And now you need to do the rebase. Yeah.
But then what?
No, I think you did that backwards. I think you clicked. You want to keep C1. Okay.
For the solution, order the commits at C2 and
then C3. And then put it back. Yeah. So it was just 2 commands. There was no one. Did it want us to do the?
No, right. So
it's 3 commands.
So did a git rebase head 2. and then we ordered C3, C2. Then we did the git commit amend.
Yep.
And then we did the same two again, but then this time we did C2 with the double with the C3.
That was too much floundering for putting on YouTube.
Get rebase dash I head tilde 2.
Are we practicing? Yeah.
And then we gotta put these in the right order, C3 and then C2.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna do a git commit dash amend. And then we're gonna do a git rebase dash I head tilde 2 again. And this time we're doing them in the right order again. And through the power of Hollywood movie magic, we're almost there. We need to get main up to the top. Move main to its updated part of the tree to finish this level via the method of your choosing.
Okay, what did this?
Get rebase caption main is what we did last time. Get.
Okay. Okay.
Ta-da.
All right.
All right. So luckily they give us the first command, which is going to be get rebase dash I head tilde 2.
Yeah.
Helps if I know how to type. Then we got to reorder these.
Yeah.
Then we're going to do our git commit dash amend.
Okay.
Then we're going to do git rebase dash I head tilde 2.
And then
reorder
these
again. And then we're going to do git rebase caption main. That brings main up to it.
Yay.
All right, let's go to number 4 or the next lesson.
Yeah.
Juggling part 2. If you haven't completed juggling part 1,
please do so. Okay, we did it. Yeah.
Once the command we wanted to change from the top, we can easily amend it and reorder it back to a preferred order. The only issue here is that there are a lot of reordering going on. We can introduce rebase conflicts. Let's look at another method with git cherry pick.
Mm-hmm.
I'm assuming it's going to be much simpler.
It should be, because that's what I would have done for the last one.
Remember, git cherry pick will plop down a commit from anywhere in the tree onto head, as long as the commit isn't an ancestor of head. So here's a small test and refresher. Git cherry pick C2. Nice, let's move on.
Okay.
In this level, let's accomplish the same objective from the other one, but avoid using rebase. Thank you. I will gladly avoid using rebase.
Well, it's going to leave it up to us to figure it out.
The exact number of apostrophes is not important, only the relative differences. For example, I will give you credit to a tree that matches the goal tree, but has one extra apostrophe everywhere.
Okay. Okay, so it looks like we have a similar starting point from the last one.
Don't forget to forward main to the updated changes. Okay.
Okay.
Instructions, nothing helpful.
Okay.
So git.
We're on main right now.
So we got a cherry pick. I'm going to start with C2.
Okay.
And see what happens there. Commit already exists in your changes. Aborting.
So what branch are we on right now?
We're on caption.
We're on caption. So, all right. So we want to be on caption.
Yeah, we don't want to be in caption. We want to go to main. Get cherry pick. Let's go C3. Let's see what that does. Okay. We're good there.
And so now, what change did we need to bring over now? So we have C3. Oh, okay. So now we want C2.
So do I do it again, but with C2?
Yeah. I think you probably could have done it with one command, but so now we got.
But C2 is hanging here by itself.
Mhm.
What the hyphen. So we need C2 twice. Does this count? No.
No. I think we needed to amend C2, not cherry pick it. It should have.
I want to see what an amend does. Huh. Okay. So I think we
should have done an amend first and then a cherry pick.
Okay. So we want to get checkout main.
Yep.
Then we want to get cherry pick C2.
I think we want C3 first, right?
No, because then get commit amend does that, and then
that looks right. Yeah.
Then we want to get cherry pick C3. That did it.
Yep.
That wasn't that hard.
No.
All right, next one.
Okay, get tags. So you've learned from previous lessons, branches are easy to move around. Yep. And they often refer to different commits as work is completed on them. Branches are easily mutated, very temporary. If that's the case, you may be wondering if there's a way to permanently mark historical points in your project's history for things like major releases, big merges. Is there any way to mark these commits? Yes, there is. And that's what the session's called, tags.
Tag. You bet there is.
Yeah, Git tag supports this exact case. Okay, they are somewhat permanently marked commits that you can reference like a branch. More importantly, though, they never move as more commits are created. You can't check out a tag and then complete your work on that tag. Tags exist as anchors in the commit tree that designate certain spots. So let's see what tags look like.
Get tag.
So let's try making a tag. So we made a tag called version1 at C1. There you go.
Hopefully the instructions are easy.
Yeah. Now for this level, just create the tags in the goal and then check V1 out. Notice how you go into the detached head state, which this is because you can't commit directly onto a tag. The next level, we'll examine a more interesting use case for tags. Okay, so we're just going to create a tag.
Famous last words.
Okay. It wants us to create a...
Here on C2.
Okay.
And on
So
C1.
basically, the branching structure is the same. It just wants you to create a tag on C2.
So we literally are going to type get tag C2.
C2 and then the name of the tag.
Oh. V1.
Yeah. Oh, maybe it's get tag V1.
C2?
Yeah. There you go.
And then
we should be done.
What else? No, we got to add one to C1.
Oh, well, then we have to check it out. Yeah.
Well, no, then we have to give it to C1 though.
Oh, I didn't see two tags. Okay. So
yeah,
then
we have two tags, and then we have to
move head to C2 or to V1.
I can do that by just clicking on C2. There you go.
That should be it. Yeah.
Great job. Next.
Okay. Git describe. Do we want to end the video here and start on Git describe in the next one?
Yeah.
No, let's keep going because I can edit out about 5 minutes of this video.
It's more like 10.
Okay.
Let's do this one, and then we'll pause, and then we'll do the last one. The last three.
All right. Git describe. Let's see. Because tags serve as great anchors. Git has a command to describe where you are relative to the closest anchor, and the command is called git describe. So git describe helps you with your bearings after you've moved many commits backwards or forwards in the history. This can happen after you've completed a git bisect, which we haven't talked about yet, or when sitting down at the computer of a coworker who just got back from vacation. Okay. So basically, you just do git describe, and then you give it the ref, and basically it's going to describe from wherever you're sitting to that ref. So the ref can resolve in to anything that's a commit. So you can use a tag, you can use a branch name, I believe.
Okay.
If you don't specify as a ref, Git just uses where you've checked out right now. So that's the name of that's how the command looks like. Yeah. So the tag is the closest ancestor in the history.
All right, well, let's look at it. So gonna git tag, the name of the tag, and then the command you're putting it on.
Yes.
The command git describe main would output B1G. Okay, so then we tag it and then we just call it. Is what it looks like. Pretty much all there is to git describe.
Yeah. Okay, so why is this already solved? Oh, there it goes.
Because we got a.
Okay, I think we don't need to create tags. I think they're already made.
Yeah, they're created. I think all we need to do is call out the command, right?
Yep.
Just commit once on bug fix when you're ready to move on. That's pretty much all there is to git describe. Try describing a few locations.
Okay, so
we're giving you a preview. There's nothing here, so just git commit.
Yeah, so no, actually, doesn't it want you to?
It didn't
really?
I'm
pretty sure it wanted us to try the git describe command.
It did not.
That was the whole point of the lesson.
It said this one was a freebie.
Oh, okay. All right.
Okay. Would you like to move on to rebasing over 9,000, the next level? So we are going to move on. So yeah, let me. Oh wait, hold up. Let's close this one out. Let's just make sure we're level set where we're at here on the levels.
Okay.
Okay. So we're down to the last three, which is going to be on advanced topics. So I think we pause it here and then do the last three in the last final video.
That sounds good. All right. Till next time, guys.
Make sure you hit that subscribe, and if you've ever done a tag in Git, let us know. If you've never done a tag in Git, let us know as well.
All right. Bye, everyone.